So we're gearing up to clean some ductwork today. Gotta make sure I got my drill. Need this for sure. This is for the dryer. This is for the vents. Gotta have a mask. Oh, there's that. I've been looking for this. That's for the hose. For the vacuum. Okay, got an extension cord. Yeah, I left my other one, so I need to take this. I lost the other one for that. And, oh, that's nice. Got my brush, got an extra clamp. Grab this. And, oh, yep, got the duct tape. So I think we're ready to go. Got the vacuum, got the air compressor, got the ladder, got another vacuum in the truck. So I think we're all good here. We're going to start today.